Namaskar, I am Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. In a groundbreaking decision, the Assam government, led by Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, has taken a dramatic step to reform marriage laws. The Assam Cabinet has approved the Assam Compulsory Registration of Muslim Marriage and Divorce Bill 2024, dismantling a regressive structure that had been in place since 1935. Chief Minister Sarma, known for his uncompromising stance on social reforms, has declared war on child marriage, and this new bill is his weapon of choice. The decision to repeal the Assam Muslim Marriages and Divorce Registration Act 1935 is just not a legal amendment, but a powerful statement of intent. It will ensure that this legal structure is in place to put a ban on child abuse and oppression of women in a particular section of the community. The Chief Minister declared, "We are rewriting the rules of justice for our daughters and sisters. No longer will outdated norms dictate their futures." The new bill aims to bring the registration of Muslim marriages under strict government scrutiny, ending the era of Qazi-controlled registrations. The Assam government's decision is also about ensuring parity. The new bill mandates that Muslim marriages and divorce will now be registered by government authorities, stripping the Qazis of their power. This move is seen as a bold effort to bring Muslim community in line with the same legal standards applied to other communities. Chief Minister Sharma has framed this issue in stark terms, stating, "This is a matter of life and death for Assam. The changing demography, the exploitation of our tribal daughters by illegal immigrants, marrying them without due process, this ends now." His impassioned speech has set the tone for what is sure to be a heated debate as the bill is presented to the Legislative Assembly. The proposed law, which will be presented during the autumn session of the Assam Legislative Assembly, is expected to ignite fierce discussions. One thing is clear. The Assam Cabinet is not afraid to shake things up and take a strong step. And with this latest move, Sharma once again proven his willingness to take on the toughest challenges in his pursuit of a safer, more just Assam.